Okay, Alone Romeo will play a song from the Romeos. Jetzt kommt ein Lied von den Romeos, das ist auf dem letzten Album drauf, das heißt September Roses und wurde so 2005 aufgenommen und veröffentlicht. Der Song heißt Letter to Everyone und wie der geht, das hört ihr jetzt von mir. Geht los. All the time has come, I have to write a letter, 'cause I think it will be better when I can rescue my heart, rescued by myself, rescued by myself. With a bad feeling streaming through my ballpen, right on the sheet is laying in front of me. The sheet gets another color, it's turning into black. It's turning into black. This is a letter to everyone. This is a letter to no one. Everyone can understand, felt the same like me, at least one time in his life. I couldn't find no other way. I have no friend can stand to me. I can talk into the walls I had built around me. I had built around me. Now the sheet is so heavy, like a black sun in new space. So heavy I can carry it right away from my face. Oh, wide away from my face. This is a letter to everyone. This is a letter to no one. Everyone can understand, felt the same like me, at least one time in his life. Oh, la 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 la. But there's a smell of burning. I see the papers turning into a mass of ashes, but the problems don't passes. The problems don't passes. But it goes like it goes, I guess a little bit better. Sometimes it's good to be alone, that you have to write a letter, that you have to write a letter. Whoa, this is a letter to everyone. This is a letter to no one. Everyone can understand, felt the same like me, at least one time in his life. In his life, yeah. This is a letter to everyone. This is a letter to no one. Everyone can understand, felt the same like me, at least one time in his life. At least one time in his life. At least one time in his life. At least one time.